welcome to another episode of Romanian Word of the Day. This time I'm going to talk about a word that you guys have requested, which is the word așa. Just like I've done before, I'm going to go through some of the context this word can be used in and the various meanings it can have. So without further ado, I'm just gonna jump right into it. Așa can be used as an adverb, as an adjective, or it can be part of a compound conjunction. So let's take a closer look at all these situations and see more examples. As an adverb, it most commonly has the meaning of in this way, or like this. Nu vorbi așa cu mine. It can show that an action is identical to another action, or that it takes place in the same manner. Așa a făcut mama mea și așa am făcut și eu. It can also express that something happens in a certain way, or precisely that way. Totul a fost păstrat exact așa cum era pe atunci. As a degree adverb, it means to such a great extent. Sunt așa mândru de tine. It can have a conclusive meaning. Și așa, povestea a luat sfârșit. It can also be used in the sense of as follows, or as will next be told. A început să spună așa. It is used when confirming or negating a statement. Așa este. Așa-i. Nu este așa. Nu-i așa. It is also used when asking for someone's approval or confirmation. Așa este? Așa-i? Nu este așa? Nu-i așa? It can express that something happens all of a sudden. Mi-a venit așa un gând. It can also be used to express surprise. Cum așa? As an adjective, it can precede a noun and it is used to add emphasis, as in such or this kind of. N-ai gustat în viața ta așa mâncare. It can be used as part of the compound conjunction așa că to express conclusions. Azi am avut o zi plină, așa că diseară o să stau acasă. Așa can also be used in all sorts of expressions. For example, ori așa, ori așa. Nici așa, nici așa. Și așa mai departe. Așa și așa. Așa o fi. Ca să zic așa. Alrighty, that's about it for now. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you found it helpful. Also, many thanks to those of you who have suggested this topic. It makes me very happy whenever you guys show interest in my lessons and leave comments. And yeah, I must say I'm super excited to see which word you will suggest next. I was thinking that in this series we've had some verbs, some adjectives and adverbs, but we didn't feature any nouns. So if there's any noun that bugs you or you simply found it interesting and you'd like me to take a closer look at it in one of the next episodes of this series, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'll see you next time. Be happy!